Okay, part two. I already take out the screws from here, and the inside. We're gonna do is just pull this down. You have to the whole panel. You have to pull backward so it will take off. Okay, so you just pull backward. And make sure the back, the lock. There you go. That's how you take it out. Okay, and then we're going to send you the side panel. It's going same thing when you're going to put it back together. It's just like on top, then you have to slide down forward. Okay. Think if you have any more questions, email our customer service and we are happy to help you.